This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a stimulus check. First, you need to confirm your eligibility. This involves checking your income and residency status. Also, verify that you are not claimed as a dependent on another person's tax return. Finally, make sure you possess a valid Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number to proceed with the application process. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to gather all necessary documents. You will need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. For faster payment, have your bank account details, including routing and account numbers, ready for direct deposit. It is also helpful to have your most recent tax return available for reference during the application. Now it is time to submit your information. Navigate to the official government website designated for stimulus payments or non-filers. Carefully enter all your personal and financial details into the online form. Double-check your mailing address or direct deposit information to ensure accuracy. This step is crucial for receiving your payment without delays, so take your time and review everything. After successfully submitting your application, you will want to know what happens next. You can monitor the status of your payment using the official payment status tool on the government website. Expect to receive a confirmation notice or letter in the mail. Generally, payments are issued within several weeks of your application being processed, so patience is key during this waiting period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.